Tell me shit up. I like your swag, boy, I like your swag. You look like dad, look just like your dad. You like dad, you look just like your dad.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean. I'm back with another video. Now today, I'm going to be showing you how to maintain your baby hairs while having box braids. Now sometimes when you have your box braids, it can actually affect your baby hairs because you see how mine is like all curled up and just, it's not straight, it's just like all over the place. Basically, I'm going to be showing you how to keep your baby hairs straight while having your box braids. So let's get it. Get it!
Alright, first thing you want to do, you feel me? Take the pink toothbrush, alright? Make sure it's pink. If it's not pink, this shit not gonna work, alright? So you're gonna take the braids, bring it up, alright? Like butterfly doors. And then you brush it down, Keep brushing it down, my nigga. Keep brushing it down. Brush, 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 brush. Alright? Keep brushing it, keep brushing it, keep brushing it. Just keep brushing, just keep brushing. Keep brushing, my nigga. Keep brushing. The more you brush, the straighter your baby hairs is gonna be, alright? So keep brushing, keep brushing. You can do this for however long you want to. Alright? Put the braids back down. Pick the other side up. That shit look crazy. See that shit? Alright, I'm gonna fix it though, alright? So you keep brushing, keep brushing, keep brushing, keep brushing, you know what I'm saying? It's better to brush slowly sometimes, feel me? Because when you brush slowly, it's like a stronger brush, if that makes sense. So you keep brushing, 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 keep brushing. Alright, you could do this for however long you want to. Until your shits is straight, you could do this for like an hour if you want to, my nigga. Fuck it. So keep brushing, keep brushing, keep brushing. Get the middle, you know what I'm saying? Get the side, keep brushing, keep brushing, keep brushing, keep brushing. Alright. Woo, goddamn, I was brushing for a long time, my nigga, goddamn. Alright, put the braids back down. After that, you know what I'm saying? Get the middle. So keep brushing the middle. It don't really take that long. It's just the middle. You just focusing on that one spot. After you focusing on that one spot, you done. You feel me? Alright, so step 2, you feel me? So for this step, you're gonna need a scrunchie, you feel me? So take the back braids and put it in a ponytail. The reason why you're doing this is to prevent the braids from getting in your way when you brushing your back baby hairs. Alright, so after that, you're going to take the scrunchie, put it in the ponytail, you know what I'm saying? Make sure it's secure, you know what I'm saying? But look at the drip though. Feel me? Just got my hair done. You already see it. You know what I'm saying? You already see it. Anyway, back to the video. Alright, this is step number 3, you feel me? So what you're going to do is you're going to take the side braids, right? And then you're going to brush the side of your head. Brush, 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 brush. Not only is this good for straightening your hair, but anything that was in your hair is going to be brushed away with the toothbrush. So don't worry about anything. So brush, 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 brush. Make sure it's straight. You can do this for however long you want to. Brush. Put the braids back down. Alright. You're going to take the other braid. Brush, brush, brush. The only reason why I'm taking that braid is because I couldn't get to that particular spot while I was brushing the other spots. So any leftover spots that you feel I didn't get to, you could brush those on your own. Take the other side, brush, 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 brush. Make sure it's brushed. Okay. Alright, so this is step number 4, you feel me? So you're going to take the back of your head, the back ponytail, and just brush the back baby hairs, you feel me? Keep brushing, 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 keep brushing. The longer you brush, the better it's going to look. Okay, keep brushing, keep brushing, keep brushing, keep brushing. It doesn't have to be perfect because it is the back of your head. So keep brushing, keep brushing, keep brushing, keep brushing, keep brushing until you feel like it's been brushed enough. God damn, bruh. Fuck around brushing the back of my neck and shit. About to get waves on my neck. Alright, so the best for last, you feel me? This is the last step. Well, this is the last step that I do. Y'all don't have to do this, but I'm not doing all of that work because I'm end up falling asleep and shit. And if my fucking baby hairs get fucked up after doing all of that, I'm gonna be tight. So what I usually do is I take the scrunchie off, you know what I'm saying? Feel me? Put my braids back down. Feel me? Put my braids back down. Hang time. hang time, you feel me? Put the braids back down. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a do-rag, feel me? Shine bright like a diamond, you feel me? You're gonna take the do-rag, feel me? You're gonna put it over your head. Do it slowly though, you feel me? Cause some niggas be rushing. Do it slowly, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. Make sure your front braids is not on your back braids, you feel me? Sometimes it get mixed up and then have your hair looking crazy. You know what I'm saying? So make sure the front is in the front, back is in the back, you feel me? Put the do-rag over your head, wrap it around. It don't gotta be perfect, my nigga, you feel me? You just laying down, it don't gotta be perfect. You know what I'm saying? So for me, put the flap right there, take the other flap, put the flap right there, you feel me? Alright, after you put the flap right there, you're gonna tie the do-rag around your head. Make sure it's Gucci, you feel me? Not too tight, you know what I'm saying? Because if it's too tight, your braids is gonna look crazy. What I mean by your braids looking crazy is, imagine you tie your do-rag super duper tight and your top braids being laid down, and when you take the do-rag off, your bottom braids is just flapping out. It's just poking out. Like, that's a crazy look, so you do not want that. So please do not tie your do-rag too tight. Make sure it's even. Make sure your bottom braids is not sticking out, because if you tie your do-rag tight and your bottom braids is like poking out to the point where like it's not on your face, it's like poking out to the point where you can like shake them and dangle them, please take your do-rag flap, untie it, loosen that shit the fuck up, and please allow blood circulation to travel through your brain. It's not that hard. God damn. And basically what I'm doing right now is like, I don't know if people know this, but your do-rag can help you style your box braids. So you can actually put them however way you want to. If I'm saying, you see how I'm like putting my braids like towards the front of my face? I always do that. It's just a habit. Like I don't know. I like the way it looks. You know what I'm saying? I look like a rock star. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, you can style your box braids. You know what I'm saying? Pull them down. Straighten your band out. You know what I'm saying? Just to get like the best look possible. You know what I'm saying? Alright, and after that, you done. Shine bright like a diamond. You feel me? Make sure your do-rag is on straight, looking crispy. Now you off to go to school, work, or whatever you do for life. Rolly with a Tapered. You know shit. And this is the final result. As you can see, my baby hairs are slickly laid down. Everything is nice and neat, and it looks very, very nice. And if this video helped you in the slightest way, like, share, subscribe if you're new, and I'm out, bruh. Gang!